We tried a bigger battery here with the previous one failing after only 2 years, but there's a couple of things you need to know about, so join me for a step-by-step battery replacement, including info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. It's good practice to remove the negative terminal completely before working on anything else, but I made a separate video explaining all of that, so I'll post a link at the end of this video. Now for some reason my camera stopped recording the rest of the removal process, but once the positive is off, the bracket comes off with these two nuts here, and then the battery can be removed. The new battery is slightly longer, so look for a stopper at the back in the base of the tray and pull that out. The trick is now to match the height of the old battery, otherwise the bracket won't fit. These Fiestas used a lower profile 175mm battery, but to make it easier I'll include links in the description for the size used in this video. For now, fit the bracket and then the positive terminal first. This size is only used on the 1.4 and 1.6 Petrol models. For the 1 litre EcoBoost, ST and diesel models you'll need an even bigger battery, so I'll do a separate video on that. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. It's also good practice not to slam the terminal onto the post, so rather use a flat screwdriver to extend the clamp. The last step is to connect the negative terminal, but make sure to push it far enough down onto the battery post. The 40 amp hour is more than adequate in most cases, but if you're struggling to get 2 years out of your battery, it might be worth upgrading to this 50 amp hour enhanced flooded battery, which is the biggest size that will fit in this tray. There's also no BMS reset required on this model without the current sensor on the negative terminal. There were no warning lights on startup and a radio code isn't required, you'll just need to set the time and date. There's a sequence for disconnecting and connecting the terminals, and it's all explained in this next video.